Speaking of bago, break-in na natin tong new Jordan 4 ko. Sabi daw kasi nila, gamot daw to sa gout eh. Kaya, tignan nyo na, wala kakagigil yung looks niya, my dear friends. Ganda niya, promise. Wala siya gaanong tatak ng Jordan, but wala lang, naingkanya lang ako. Natuwa lang ako sa kanya. And you know me, I like black. By the way, medyo busy sila dito kasi ilalunch nila yung bagong car nila. Pero tignan nyo naman, kahit yung key fob niya, my dear friends, it's futuristic, parang spaceship yung kanyang lock and unlock button. Massive shout out again to Hyundai Davao, the only showroom of Hyundai here in Davao City. Pinayagan tayong i-start yung kanilang car. This is the cold start of the new Hyundai Elantra Hybrid Premium. Wait a minute, I think that's it. Naka-EV mode kasi siya, so tahimik talaga siya. Pero once you step on the gas, ayun, that's where you get the sound. So this is the Meta Blue Pearl Hybrid. Actually, kapag blue talaga, nagiging futuristic yung look ng car. Additional, kasi sa kanyang katawan, maganda talaga yung kanyang itsura. Tignan nyo to, yung kanyang front grille, maganda ang kanyang pagkakagawa. And eto, ganito yung mga styling na hindi mo makikita sa ibang car companies. So para sa akin, one up from Hyundai. The branding as well, hindi siya yung masyadong umbok, tama lang. Makinis yung pagkakagawa. Pati itong linya na to, my dear friends, oh. I just like this kind of styling. Ang ganda yung kanyang pagkakagawa. The DRL, beautifully done. Ang kanyang headlight as well, LED. Ayan yung kanyang high beam. Maganda, makinang yung kanyang itsura. Kung titignan nyo yung kanyang DRL na parang kilay, yung kanyang fog lamp, naka-bulb po. Meron siyang additional na repeater on this side. Yung kanyang tail light, maganda yung lines na makikita mo. Properly designed all the way here. Ang kanyang brake light, oh diba ang ganda. Yung kanyang rear parking camera, maganda yung kanyang styling. Tipong parang sa cellphone lang. Ang linis ng pagkakagawa. And this is what I really appreciate on this kind of brand. Kahit na hindi siya Hapon, Korean, pero maayos ang pagkakadali. Parking sensors available din po malapit sa kanyang plaka. Black plastics niya na nilagay, which is maganda din yung pagkakagawa. And of course, nandiyan yung tambucho. Emblem din ng Elantra dito. Ayan, medyo umbok siya, pero hindi naman katabaan. And may indication ng hybrid. Ayan, this is what you are getting if you are having the hybrid premium. Meron tayong shark fin na tenda dito. Yung linya niya dito na may mga black, okay lang, pasado ang pagkakagawa if you're going to quality check. Dipindot po tayo sa kanyang driver door, disusi. Dipindot din tayo dito, wala nga lang siyang disusi. And ang kanyang suspension sa may harapan, McPherson's po tayo. And sa may likuran naman, torsion ring axle po. My dear friends, pay attention to the wheels. Maganda yung kanyang itsura. And I hope na ganito yung itsura ng kanyang wheels kahit na iba yung color niya. It's actually contrast sa kanyang paint job. Ang kanyang tires, 205/55 R16. Naka-disc brakes po siya, harap at saka likuran. And ayan yung brand ng kanyang tire. So buksan natin yung hood, nandito siya. The trunk button is here, fuel, and nasa kaliwa yung kanyang fueling. In terms of the performance, meron siyang 1.6 liter HEV gasoline. It's hybrid, pero it still packs a power. 141 PS at 5,700 RPM. And ang kanyang torque, 147 Newton meters at 4,000 RPM. 6-speed manual po tayo na DCT, and kapag N-line 7-speed po. Ang kanyang fuel tank 42 liters po. Kaya niyang umabot ng 16 kilometers per liter kapag nasa traffic ka. Ang kanyang wet weight 1,345 kilograms only. It's still one of the lightest 1.6 liter na mahanap mo. And since there's an additional weight kasi hybrid, ang kanyang ground clearance 150 millimeters po. Wheelbase 107.1 inches. Woo! Ayan lang, ganda ng kanyang styling. And wow, looks decent. Yung kanyang trunk space capacity looks decent. Looks spacious. Meron siyang 402 liter capacity. And sa tingin ko, at least tatlong malalaking maleta kasya dito. Interior, maganda. And kung titignan nyo po, perforated yung kanyang leather. Ayan o. Leather touch po tayo all the way. Malaki and very spacious siya. Meron tayong dalawang cup holders on this part. And also yung kanyang pocket, well designed din. Ayan o. Net siya kumbaga. May air vents siya. And of course, available din USB-C cup holders available. Of course, the speaker. Headroom, spacious din. Damn, so spacious my dear friends. At least tatlong 5'6" tall. Pasado. Ayan o, kahit yung gitna nila okay. Pero tapakalagada dito. Hindi ka pwedeng gumanyan. Ayan, okay lang. Maluwag pa rin. Sitting position ng 5'6" tall na driver. Ayan, sobra-sobra pa. And maganda. Comfortable ka kapag nakaupo ka dito. Pangyayamanin kumbaga. Pang future. At saka kung titignan nyo po, speakers on each side. Maayos at saka decente yung pagkakagawa. And kung titignan nyo yung kanyang driver console, ayan po, fuel gauge, speed, very available. And yung kanyang RPM din. Naka-eco mode siya. Sa kanyang steering, telescopic din po tayo. And tilt. So, atras abante, taas baba, ikaw magde-decide yan, my dear friends. Although it's a hybrid, it still has a hint of sport kung titignan nyo na mabuti. Yung kanyang disenyo. Maganda. Infotainment control on this part. Meron siyang stop and go cruise control. It's basically an advanced cruise control na yung tipong magsiset siya ng distance sa layo or lapit ng iyong sinusundan. Okay siya. 8-inch touchscreen po tayo, my dear friends. If you're going to check, it's very well done, my dear friends. And if you're going to press this one, ayan, makikita mo yung kanyang energy flow. I-home natin. Touchscreen siya, very snappy. Ayan, ito yung mga lalabas. Setup, user's manual, phone, voice memo. By the way, this car has forward collision avoidance assist. Meron siyang lane following assist, lane keeping assist, and parking distance warning, rear view monitor, and meron siyang 6 na airbags na available. ABS, meron siyang hill assist control, and of course ang kanyang tire pressure monitoring system. And kung titignan nyo, ayun o, display, pwede mo ma-adjust, ikaw bahala. Screensaver din, ikaw bahala. Wala lang, ganda niya lang. Climate control on this part, start button on this part, and yung kanyang battery reset din nandito din, ang kanyang assist din sa kanyang traction control available kung titignan nyo. Also on this, ayun o, yung kanyang drive mode, pag pinindot natin, pwedeng eco kung gusto mo ng full power, sport, and ang kanyang smart. Ayan, ayos siya. Camera parking, pag pinindot mo, available. And ang kanyang park button, nandito po, auto hold, available. Ang kanyang gear, maganda din. Kung titignan nyo, park, rear, neutral, and the drive. Pag sinet mo siya dito, taas, baba lang po. Okay siya. 2 cup holders available. Cup holders as well are available on this part. And ang kanyang air vents, 4 po available. Maganda yung pagkakayari. Tingnan mo. The premium is beautifully done, and I cannot wait to see the end line of this one. Pilot light, ayan, available. And vanity mirror available din. Ayan, dashboard cabinet available. Available din yung kanyang armrest and cabinet din. Okay siya. May hawakan siya dito for passenger. And finally, the price. Dito kay Hyundai Davao, meron siyang 5 trim. Ito pong blinag natin, HEV Premium GLS. Ang kanyang presyo dito, 1,755,000 Philippine pesos. Lowest down payment, it can go up to 138,000 to 198,000, depends on the bank. And ang kanyang monthly for 60 months, 36,738. Massive shoutout kay Ma'am Jane for inviting me to their lunch. Naka-link in the description yung number niya. Go contact her if you are interested in buying one of these cars. So ayan, my dear friends, if you have violent reactions, let it rip sa comment section. Massive shoutout to Hyundai Davao City and Exodus 14:14 to everyone. Keep on praying, trust the process, and I'll see you in the next. Sino excited sa car nila? Wow, excited sila sa car.